Hi, Mike here from At Chasing Bourbon 1987, and today, viewer requests, we have a review of Knob Creek 18. So we're going to do a first crack on a Knob Creek 18. Let's take it out of this beautiful display case. This is batch number KC001, first batch, released in 2022. Comes in at 100 proof. And is aged 18 years. The mash build is 77% corn, 13% rye, 10% malted barley. There we go, nice cork pop. And it has an MSRP of $175. Beautiful color. Let's get a nose. Brown sugar, caramel. Definitely taste the age. Have some oak, a little bit of leather, some dried fruits, dark fruits, a little bit of spice. The fruits are really back there. It's hard to, they're definitely not jumping out at you, that's for sure. Yes, definitely has a lot of oak. Not too much, just it lets you know it's been in the barrel a long time. Yeah. For an 18 years, definitely, you're definitely tasting the age. You're definitely tasting the oak. You're right on the edge of being too oaky, but it's just about there. You taste the dark fruits, maybe a little leather on the finish. What taste? Yes, definitely. Good whiskey. Highly recommend it. Be curious to see how this opens up after a little time. And as always, like, subscribe, and follow us on social media. Thank you. Cheers.